Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook if it's not sending messages. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you need to check your internet connection, okay? As a poor or unstable internet connection is the most common reason why messages get stuck. Okay, if you have Wi-Fi, try to turn it on. If you're currently using mobile data, turn it on and check if it helps, or vice versa, okay? Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and find your Play Store or App Store, just like so, and then find Messenger, as Messenger is our app for messaging, okay, using Facebook. So in here, if there's an update button, go ahead and update it, and once done, check if it works. Now, if that still won't work, well, check for account restrictions. Say, for example, you'll have to make sure that the recipient hasn't blocked you or you didn't block them. Also, make sure that the person you're trying to message hasn't deleted or deactivated their account. Now, if you send too many messages in a short time, well, you may have violated the community standards of Meta, okay? Your messaging privileges may be restricted by Facebook if that's the case. Now, if you're sure that it's not a problem with your account or a person's account, well, at least try to check for Meta downtime. Go ahead and open up your favorite browser and then just type down Meta server or metastatus.com right here. So just tap on it. If there are red flags or red icons right here, well, that means you'll have problem sending a message. Okay? And that is how you fix Facebook if it's not sending messages. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.